How to use Google Veo 3 from image to video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can prompt or generate the videos from a photo. So first is just open up your web browser available on your end and simply type in Google Veo 3 image to video. Now simply choose on the very first result. It will redirect you into AI Studio, which is specifically for Veo 3 and 3.1. Now once you're here, just click on Get Started, and this is going to be your home dashboard. Now what you want to do next is to click on Build, and then from Build, you just need to describe your prompt or whatever photo or image you would like it to be live or to make it as into video, and you can also upload a photo reference. So the attached files is usually located here, right side of the microphone icon. Click that and then choose on upload files. So let's say, for example, we'll be uploading this kind of image. Now, next thing to do is to describe on what specific prompt you would like to have on that specific photo to make it into video, and then just simply click on build. Now, it's going to take up to around 3 to 5 minutes depending on the prompt that you would like to have. You just need to wait for it until the preview option is going to be available, and then the prompt that you just created will be visible here. And that's it. That's how you use Google Veo 3 image to video.